We are the largest company in the sand manufacturing today in the country. We are doing almost 3 lakh tons a month. 70% of our plants only produce sand. The 30% is aggregates, which we normally call as byproducts to us. The classifier we have launched, the plaster sand. We named it as Rotec plaster sand. It is taking some time to beat the conventional river sand, plaster sand. But the customer acceptance is increasing day by day. The journey of Robo started about 19 years back. In the year 1999, we have incorporated company Robo Silicon Private Limited to manufacture sand, a substitute for river sand. There was a problem of getting river sand due to High Court rules of state government banning the river sand. We have put up the first pilot plant in Hyderabad, which is only 55 tons per hour plant. Product has been launched in the name of Robo Sand in the year 2001.
With the complete establishment of Metso plant at Hyderabad, they were able to cater to the local aggregate market with manufactured sand and plaster sand, and whatever is the product which is manufactured is of a high quality and well graded IS 383 zone 2 specification, and whatever is the product which is being manufactured here is entirely saleable, and there is no product which is left around, and the ultra fines which is generated or which is removed from the plaster sand has also been used in the cement brick industry here. Consistently every month they were able to produce around 60,000 metric ton plus manufactured sand, and there is a huge market and potential for this, which Rotec is very well managing in Hyderabad and near surrounding areas.
River sand is normally, it's a nature's gift. It is rounded in the shape. But vertical shaft impactor of Barmac was giving, at least if not rounded, it was giving cubical shape, which is what is technically recommended for usage as a substitute for river sand. That's how the Barmac, with the speed controls, with the rotors, the shape of the aggregates is cubical, and which is, of course, is accepted as a substitute for river sand. We also did captive works at Hyderabad Airport. It was a prestigious work for us, where we handled mobile plants of Metso. Same way at Delhi Airport and Reliance Jamnagar too. The results were really good. The acceptance from these captive customers also was fantastic. There were no complaints. From Metso, I don't find any bottleneck in the maintenance or the performance of the machines. Definitely the support is fantastic from Metso. The performance of the plant is good. The output, the productions are as expected or as discussed, it's always maintained.
The cost of manufacturing sand with this establishment is very less, and customer is selling each and every product in the market with good premium price, wherein they can maintain the good profitability and achieving the desired results through Metso machines.